installation of the American Legion auxiliary units will end with a prayer. Please rise and uncover.
Father of our faiths, we seek your presence at this installation of our newly elected officers. May we ask your blessing on them and your guidance during the coming year. Make them aware of their responsibilities both to you and to our country. Create in them a desire to foster the ideals of justice, freedom, democracy, and loyalty, so that the American Legion Auxiliary may accomplish its share of building toward a better world. This we ask in your name. Amen.
Amen. Assistant Sergeant at Arms, please escort the Vice President to her seat. Please cover and have a seat. Sergeant at Arms, please escort the Sons District Commander to the podium.
Sergeant at Arms, please escort Madam President to her seat. Assistant Sergeant at Arms, please assemble the newly elected Sons of the American Legion officers to the back of the room. Is this loud enough?
I say, Mike, hear you.
Hello? Hello? Test. Test. Good? Working. My name is Michael Nigbor. I'm from Squadron 136 in St. James City on Pine Island. This is our last installation, and I finally got those two lines memorized. I'd like to thank the officers and members of Grade O Wilkinson for having us here today, along with the RHL Dabney 192. I'm honored to be serving as your district commander for the 2021-2022 service year. Before we begin, I'd like to offer my thanks to the Post Homeland leadership for inviting the district staff here to participate in the installation of your officers. As your district commander for the Sons of the American Legion, I look forward to working alongside all the officers and members of our district. I'd like to recognize our dignitaries here tonight, starting with past Southwestern Area Commander, also Detachment Assistant Sergeant at Arms, and a past District Commander, Rod Lechner. Past District 13 Commander, my mentor, and the current Southwestern Commander, and also the Detachment Assistant Adjutant, Commander Christian Rapp. Like to come to the podium?
Sure, why not?
Sergeant at Arms, please escort Commander Rapp to the podium.
Taz, the 2 minutes doesn't work for you or Dennis, so I think I'm good. Wow. They can't tell this thing's up. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Christian Rapp. I hail from Squadron 323 in beautiful downtown Lehigh Acres, just up the road. And I'm honored to be serving once again as your Southwestern Area Commander. I bring you greetings from American Legion Southwest Area Commander Jessica Moore. She can't be here today because she was selected as one of the few to be on the world record poker rack. She's currently in Alabama on her way to Sturgis. She's representing the 13th District American Legion Riders and the American Legion family all the way to Sturgis. So we couldn't be very much prouder of her. A lot of things, and Jessica and I, the reason I mentioned her, her and I, we have the exact same goals. Not only is she from Post 323 in beautiful downtown Lehigh Acres, we've grown up in our Legion careers and the Legion family together and are serving together in the same post for a reason. You've heard, and if you've been to many of these installations, I've been to a few in the 8th District as well. Common words that are said right now are unity, family, communication. As Commander Bud said earlier, we get so wrapped up today in the social media and the electronics, we forget the old-fashioned way, calling people. Bud said, hello, thank you. What'd you do? Bud made a good suggestion to call others in your district, but let's not end it there. The way we can keep our history going, as Dennis so eloquently mentioned, and our communication is not only get out of our comfort zone, not just concentrate on our 13th district, but the 8th district as well. We are an area, and one of my many hats I wear, I'm also the public relations chairman for the detachment and the membership committee. My goal for doing all of those is to help this great district and our area to be successful, and I will help in any way possible to get your message out to the 8th district and through our district every way that I possibly able. But I would like to also see us call. We all have friends in the 8th district. They have friends in the 13th. Let's call them, see what they're up to. Let's attend their events. Have them attend ours. Put out those invitations, because I know we have we have the best area in the state of Florida. Department detachment-wise, all the houses. Let's show everybody we can do that. Let's show that we are family. One thing I forgot to mention while we're talking about history. You heard Dennis Bolin introduce, but he just didn't have to sit down. One thing they failed to mention is that Dennis Bolin is also a son of the American Legion. He's a proud and active member of our Squadron 323. But he's not the only dual member. These dual members give their time and their contributions to help us be successful as sons, as American Legion, as an American Legion family. There's so many dual members in this house right now. Brian Taz Galing, Post 90. Who else is here?
Mike Schwartz.
Mike Schwartz. Bud Boyer. And Sergeant Arms for this post right here. Where are you at, buddy? Raise your hand. He's an active member. And if there are any dual members I missed, it's not on purpose.
Post Commander.
Post Commander, there we go. Look, this table here, these Legion officers here, of course, how could we miss him too? But you see here, this department, this district staff right here, I got the right date. This district staff is comprised of veterans and sons, and they do everything to help us continue and move forward and thrive, and that's our goal for the Southwestern area. Let's help each other, not just in our district, but in our sister district. Let's make our area the best the state has to offer. Let's show the rest of the state how it's done. Thank you for all you do. I see great successful things coming out this year, and please, when you have events, let me know. I will get it out. I will leave some business cards behind too. Send them to me. I will help get the invites from everybody, including, if you want it, the detachment commander. He will come down. Brian loves to travel. He loves a good time. We'll get it out, and we'll get you guys be successful. Please, I'm just in Lehigh. You have an event, and I can cook too. I'll be happy to. I'm sorry, was that a dig? I will be happy to come out and help you with whatever you need. Thank you for all you do. Have a great, successful year. Carry on in the best traditions. Thank you.
Sergeant at Arms, please escort Commander Rapp back to his seat.
Quickly. Why don't you go cook something? He just mad.
Along with what Commander Rapp was still talking about, one thing we need to remember too is if you haven't seen a veteran from your area here in a while, family members, friends, please remember to do your buddy checks. Give them a call, stop in at home, knock on the door, make sure everything's going okay for them. I bring to you greetings from Detachment Commander Brian Carter and offer his heartfelt thanks for all your hard work in helping the detachment of Florida reach its membership goals. Even with this pandemic and its related craziness, including the membership portal being down for quite a few months, the detachment of Florida achieved its 26th consecutive all-time high for membership. The detachment ended the year with 100.34% in membership. So even with, we were floating around 19,600 members, we've lost several hundred members in the last couple of years.